Good morning, students. I welcome you all in my English grammar class. Today we are going to study about negative sentences, right? We had already discussed what is sentence and now we are going to discuss about negative sentences. So just tell me, let's start with the previous knowledge. What is sentence? Sentence is a group of words that gives complete sense. For example, my name is Shivani Chaurasya. For example, I am going to Delhi. Okay? So, sentence is a group of words that gives complete sense. We had already discussed about the kind of sentences like declarative sentence is also known as assertive sentence, statement sentence. The second one is interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence, right? So now we are going to discuss about negative sentence. So what is negative sentence? Let's find out. The sentences that have not or no in them are called negative sentences. We put not after the helping verb to make the sentence negative, right? Where we put not? We put not after the helping verb. For example, Sonia is not hungry, right? Here is a sentence you all can see on my screen. Sonia is not hungry. So now just tell me, what is Sonia in this sentence? Sonia is a naming part. We had already discussed that subject is known as naming part. So who is not hungry? That is Sonia. So Sonia is naming part. Is, what is helping verb, right? And we put no after helping verb. Is it here helping verb? So we put not after the helping verb and hungry is object here. There are many more sentences here. You all can see. I am not Johanna. You aren't a teacher. He hasn't. He isn't 20 years old. She isn't from Italy. She isn't Italian. We aren't bored. You aren't tall. They aren't smart. She isn't my mother. That isn't the classroom, right? So you all can see that not is used after helping verb. So let's find out the sequence. First of all, we put subject and then helping verb, then not, then main verb, and then object. Is it clear? So, you all can see on my screen exercises from your book. The first one is Itika can draw portraits. It's a statement sentence, it's a assertive sentence, and we have to change it into negative sentence. Itika can draw portraits means Itika cannot draw portraits while changing it into negative sentence, right? So we will use not after can. Can is helping verb here. Is, am, are, was, were, can, could, may, might. These are the helping verbs. And we put not after helping verbs. So Itika can draw portraits. You have to just first find out, you have to just negotiate what is helping verb over here. So it's a can. Can is helping verb. So we will use not, we will put not after can. So the correct sentence is Itika cannot draw portraits, right? It's a negative sentence. Again, he is busy today is the second sentence and you have to change it into negative sentence. Again, we will do the same. We will put not after helping verb. And what is helping verb in this sentence? Is helping verb in this sentence. So, the correct sentence will be he is not busy today, right? It was foggy yesterday. We have to find out. It's a assertive sentence and we have to change it into negative sentence. We will do the same again. We have to find out the helping verb over here. So was is helping verb and we will put not after the helping verb was. It was foggy yesterday. So the correct sentence is it was not foggy yesterday. This company is reliable. So the correct negative sentence is the company is not reliable. We will put not after helping verb. Children were present for their group photo. So you have to find out what is helping verb in this given sentence. So children were, right? Were is helping verb in this sentence, and we will put not after the verb. So the correct sentence will be children were not present for their group photo. I am waiting for my turn to speak. Here am is again helping verb, and we have to convert it into negative. So after am we will use not. I am not waiting for my turn to speak, right? The next one is tourists are feeling comfortable in these hotels. So the correct negative sentence is tourists are not feeling comfortable in these hotels. You should pluck flowers. So you have to find out what is helping verb in the given sentence. Should is helping verb in the given sentence. We will use not after the should. You should not pluck flowers, right? I can win this competition. So the correct sentence is I cannot win this competition. You are paying me enough money. So here helping verb is are, and we will put are after not. We will put not after are. You are not paying me enough money. Okay, moving to next sentence. You have to again convert it into a negative sentence, and you all can see that it is an imperative sentence, like it's starting from the verb. Give food to animals in the zoo, switch off the fan, eat sweets daily. You all can see that the sentence is starting using a verb, and we all know that it is a structure of imperative sentence, right? So while changing it into negative sentence, we will use don't. So give food to animals in the zoo. So the correct negative sentence of this statement is don't give food to animals in the zoo, right? Switch off the fan, don't switch off the fan. Eat sweets daily, don't eat sweets daily. Okay. Again you have to change these sentences into negative by adding don't, doesn't, didn't with the root form of the verbs. Whatever you are finding that these are the root form of the verb, you have to use these negative, right? These negative words. For example, Dr. Kalam belonged to a humble background, right? So you all can see the verb is in past tense, right? Belong, belonged, belonged, right? So it is the past sentence. That's why we will use here did not, right? So the correct sentence would be Dr. Kalam didn't belong to humble background. Sorry बच्चों, यहाँ पे does लग गया है, but it is wrong, right? You have to use here did not, right? Why we will use here did not? Because it's a belonged, right? Third form, ed is added there, past form it is. So we will use here Dr. Kalam did not you have to written, okay? By mistake it is written here does not, but you have to make correction here. You have to write down did not. Is it clear? She keeps her things carefully. Okay, it's a keeps, it's a first form, right? S or es is used there according to the subject, right? So while changing it into negative sentence, we will use here does not. She does not keep her things carefully, right? Children make a noise, make, made, right? So it is used here first form, it's a present tense, and while converting it into negative, we will use here do not, because children is in plural form. Children do not make a noise, okay? Rashid obeys his sister. Rashid obeys. So we will use here Rashid doesn't obey his elders. Asha sings sweetly. So the correct sentence would be Asha does not sing sweetly. Harsh tells a lie. So the correct sentence is Harsh does not tell a lie. I go to school regularly. So we will use here I don't go to school regularly. They watched the whole episode of Friends. They did not watch the whole episode of Friends. Cinderella wore a beautiful dress. Cinderella did not wear a beautiful dress. We made a model for science exhibition. So we had used here made. Made is also a past tense. While converting into a negative sentence, we use here did not. We did not make a model for science exhibition. She makes silly mistakes. She doesn't make silly mistakes. Many cars create air pollution. Many cars don't create air pollution. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. Right? It's your homework. Like, I'm just giving the example. She is very weak. She is very weak. She cannot lift this box. क्योंकि वो बहुत कमज़ोर है इसलिए वो बॉक्स को नहीं उठा सकते. So what we will use here? Can't. Last night I didn't sleep. Last night मुझे नींद नहीं आई. हम don't का यूज़ नहीं करेंगे because it's talking about last night, right? So we will use here didn't. He always speaks the truth, but yesterday he didn't tell us the whole incident, right? Because it's also about yesterday, it's also about last night, so we will use here didn't. Don't disturb me, right? This is a CNG car. It doesn't. We will use here doesn't. Why? Because it is here, right? So it doesn't create that much pollution. Look at the bright sky. It will not, it should not rain today, right? What will we use here? Should not. Sorry, it's will not ना. It will not rain today. आज बारिश नहीं होगी. क्यों? क्योंकि look at the bright sky. क्योंकि आज sky बहुत bright है, चमकदार है. You dash talk loudly in the library. So we will use here. आपको लाइब्रेरी में बात करना चाहिए ज़ोर ज़ोर से या नहीं करना चाहिए? नहीं करना चाहिए. That's why we will use here. We should not talk loudly in the library. The next one is the sun dash set in the north. Means the sun doesn't set in the north. Okay. So thank you for watching the video. Bye students.